What's good, jammers? I decided to do an inventory tour, and I really don't have a lot of items. My main items are my two spiked rare long wrists and my headdress, and then my den betas. So let's get started on this video, and yeah. First I will be showing you my tail items. Okay guys, so up next for the tour are my feet items, so I'm just going to show you those real quick and I'll be back in just a second. Actually, I'm here. I don't know why I said that. These are my neck items, and yeah, let's get to them. So now we're gonna get back right into the head items, and yeah. So this is my favorite item for the head item section, and I'm just gonna show you what else I have. Okay guys, that's it for my video today, and I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what kind of videos you want, and if you want me to do longer videos, shorter videos, just let me know what kind of videos you want me to do. I can't do skip videos because those are gonna suck, obviously. Oh, and one more thing, I forgot to show you guys my den items, so I'm going to show you them real quick. Guys, shout out to my friend Shane CC. This is her masterpiece that she made for me, and I just love it so much. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you will comment, share, like, and subscribe. You don't have to do any of those things. You can dislike it, you can just, hate on the videos, but whatever, and I'll see you in my next video.